Hi there, welcome back to EST Online. Today we're looking at a simple word, public. And how do we use this word public? Well, we have a couple of different phrases. We can say in public, the public, or members of the public. Let's analyze and break down what each of these mean. The first one, in public. This is a prepositional phrase, and we use it to mean something that happened outside of our house where other people can see. The opposite is in private. I took this action in private, or I did this in public. So when we say in public, it means other people, usually large numbers of people, might be able to see. When we talk about public as a noun, the public, we mean normal people. The public voted for this leader, or members of the public voted for this leader. The public or members of the public have exactly the same meaning, and they mean normal people. The public don't agree with the Prime Minister's proposal. It means 50 or more % of regular people don't agree. So watch out for that. In public means that it's visible to other people. The public or members of the public mean regular people. Slightly different meaning for one word, public. All right, thanks so much for joining us. We'll see you next time. Take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.